I've got the Galaxy Tab A11 and let me show you how to charge this tablet. Now, first, you do get a Type-C to Type-C cable that comes in the box, but there's no charging brick. So while you can plug in one end of that cable into your tablet, the other end needs to be plugged to a source of power. Now, what source of power do you have? One, you can get a charging brick like this one with a Type-C port, and then just plug it in to the charging brick like that, and then plug the other end of the charging brick into a wall socket, and then you'll get power on your tablet. So that's one way to charge your tablet. There you go, you can see it charging. Now you can also use any other Type-C cable you can get, or you can even use a Type-C to Type-A cable like this one. So you can see this particular one has Type-C and Type-A. So if you plug in the Type-C end into your tablet and the Type-A end into a power brick that accepts Type-A ports or Type-A connectors, then that's gonna charge your tablet as well, like that. Okay. Now you can also plug the other end of either the Type-C cable or the Type-A cable into any source of power. It could be your computer, it could be a power bank, it could be even your TV, a car charger. All this stuff is gonna charge your tablet. Now, in case you're wondering, this tablet does not have wireless charging. So all the charging has to be done via a cable, and that's basically it. So this tablet charges at a maximum of 15 watts, although you can go into the settings and enable and disable fast charging in the battery settings. Okay, so that is basically how to charge this tablet. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe, and good luck.